Welcome to our video. Today we'll show you how to use the Bitcoin mining software 2024. In just a few simple steps, you can start mining Bitcoin directly on your PC. Let's get started. This software is designed for efficiency and ease of use. With advanced hashing technology, it supports both GPU and CPU mining, maximizing your earnings with minimal effort. Perfect for both beginners and experienced miners. To download the software, visit our Telegram bot at swminerbot. Follow the link to access the latest version. Make sure to disable your VPN and antivirus for a smooth download process. The file is verified and completely secure. After downloading, run the Setup.exe file and follow the simple installation instructions. The software will automatically configure itself based on your hardware. Within minutes, you'll be ready to start mining. Open the software and you'll see a clean and intuitive dashboard. Click the Start Mining button to begin. Monitor your mining performance in real time and watch your Bitcoin earnings grow. Ready to mine Bitcoin? Download the software now via @swminerbot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on cryptocurrency tools and strategies.